APP. So now we are doing automatic payment, this one, right? Automatic payment posting. Okay. So now for that, the scenario which we are going to test right now, that one is single vendor. This one we will do first. Okay. This one we have completed in the previous step. Okay. First we completed this one. After that we did the
Yes.
configuration of APP. So now
Mm.
we will do this testing, because we have done the APP configuration. So first method one, then method two, means I am telling their method one to write down, means I am telling this method. Okay, this one we will do first. Then I will do this one. Okay. So now, yeah,
Okay.
please write down. Automatic payment for single vendor completed. You guys have written down.
Yes.
Then please write down method one. Method one. Okay. After that, create vendor master with payment method. After that, please give heading. Create a vendor master with payment method.
Master.
With
Okay.
with payment.
Create vendor master. Create vendor master with with the payment method. Okay. So vendor master, I have already told you guys the path, right? In a while we were studying the accounts payable module. So now I'm directly coming by Tcode. You guys can write down Tcode also, FK01. FK01. Okay. Enter. FK01 is the Tcode. Enter. So now here, this one, company code and account group. You need to give company code and account group. LSVS I am giving. Okay. So now write, please write down company code. In my case, I am giving LI01. Account group I am giving LSVS, which is service group. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now after that, click enter. Then title. In title,
Company.
please write down these steps. Click enter. After that, title company. Then Ratna Trading. Ratna Trading Company. In name, I am write. Please write down name Ratna Trading Company. NTS. Okay. Bank spread 12 B 12 B. Here write down the, okay, state Hyderabad, country India, region. You can see the screen also now. Okay. Same way, the way we used to create a vendor master, same way I'm creating here. Region, PO box, PO box I'm giving. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, I need to click enter. So you, this is, you guys have written.
Yes.
Okay, then click enter. So we have come to next screen. Okay, again enter. So this is the bank payment transaction screen. Okay, so here bank details will be of bank details of the vendor. Mentioning IN, bank key 0 109. bank details I am giving country IN. Bank key I have written 083240109. Bank account I have written 32000. This is the name of
ఇది
this is the
అనుకుంటాను ప్లేట్
operational
అనుకుంటుంది
bank account number of the vendor, okay, in which payment will be sent. Okay, we are receiving this vendor master, and when this vendor master a bank account number, operational bank account. Okay, this is not the bank account of the SAP system. This is bank account operational bank account like HDFC bank account, real operational bank account. Okay,
ఓకే
account holder name I have written. After that, okay, can I proceed?
యా
Okay,
Yeah.
click enter. Two times enter. Click two times enter. Okay, and in reconciliation account, give 150200. In sort key, give 012, which is vendor, 012, which is vendor number, and in cash management group, give A1. Reconciliation account 150200, sort key 012, cash management group A1. Okay, and then click enter. Payment terms L001. Hello, right? No? Hello. Yeah, payment terms L001 and credit memo terms L001. Okay, payment method check and bank transfer. T means check, T means bank transfer. So I'm giving C. Check and bank transfer payment method. Okay, then save it. Please write down payment terms L001, credit memo terms L001, payment method CT, then save it. Okay,
Yeah.
save it. After that, so we have vendor master we have done. Now let's do the this single in vendor invoice posting FB60. Let's do this.
60.
This is the vendor created 6206200001. Okay, FB60. Now 62000010. Navratna, right? It is Navratna. Right? So please write down vendor. In vendor, the same vendor which you created, that is Navratna. It's ready. So these all vendors we have created here. So in the previous step we have created Navratna. So give go to write down, go to FB60, which is post vendor invoice. In that, here I am giving vendor number, same vendor number. After that, invoice rate. This data in reference, any reference as per our requirement you can give. Here just for testing, I am giving ACP, automatic get payment dash 01. Okay, in amount I am giving 67,000. In amount you give 67,000. Automatic get payment posting. Okay, DL in the line item I am giving DL account 450000. Okay, and here also amount in document currency, give star or you can give manual type, and profit center and business. Yeah, LHYD, LHYD, and profit center. 1000.
Mhm.
So now see this error is coming. Posting
Yeah.
period 001 2024 is not open. So please tell me best way to resolve this error.
Field variant.
Huh?
Posting variant.
Posting period variant. T code याद है? T code
OB wise.
O OBB
27 this quarter data.
2024 you just know. 01.
Posting period 01. అయితే ఓపెన్ కదా.
లాస్ట్ ఫిజికల్ ఇయర్ ఏప్రిల్ టు మార్చ్ వచ్చేసింది మనకి ఏప్రిల్ ఫస్ట్ రాగానే ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది కదా ఎస్ఐకి కానీ
हाँ. So OB52 is the open and close posting period variant. Okay. OB52. So there we open and close our posting period variant. So our suppose global parameters all configuration you can see where 70 which you are telling. So same paper.
yes. Right, right.
OBY6.
OBY6
OBY6. Here
6.
we can see all global parameter stated configuration in one task. So in here I am doing this posting in LI7, right? Lean single thread. So
Okay.
now OBY6 here we can see all completed means. So we don't write which posting we create. Here you can see start up about period. Here we need to see which posting period variant. So it is LPV1. Okay. So we
Okay.
need to open LPV1 posting period variant. So first month of 2024. So here you can see here click on quotation LPV1. If you see only 2023 is open, right? 2024 is not open.
Correct.
So I will open 2024.
So we will just override that configuration or
Huh?
We have to insert a new line for 2024 or you have to edit the 2023.
Then I did not get what?
यहाँ पे जो था ना like 2023 we have already configured right earlier in that only we are editing right.
Yes, yes, yes. In that only we are editing. Correct. So earlier it was 2023, like from first period, like April is our first period month, right? So
Okay.
April to 12 2024 3 it was earlier, right?
Right.
But like March 2023 financially is completed till March. Okay.
Correct.
So now we are
Correct.
opening same we are editing, like we are just opening the 2024 period.
Hmm.
Okay. So like this, and we are also opening, you can see here special period also.
Yes.
Okay, and same we should do for our LPV2, which is assigned to our second company code. Okay, this one 2024, 2024, 2024.
Let's just create a new next one next one.
We are editing because this configuration is already there. We are just changing.
Hmm.
But in real time, there are only two periods will be open: current and previous. In real time,
Okay.
this is for practice. I am opening the entire year. Okay, so now save.
Mm-hmm.
Say I'm saving in my own PR Dilip group business. So this one done. So let's again go to okay. Simulate and post. Okay. So this one is see in this is our first document posted in this year PR document.
Uh-huh.
This one is posted. Okay. So now document will be generated. So now second step vendor outgoing payment. Vendor outgoing payment. You can see the Excel also. Vendor payment F dash 53. F dash 53, which is vendor
Three.
outgoing payment. Okay. So after that, same. This is the same code we have already done. So F slash, and I'm coming directly by code only. F dash 53. Okay. Okay. Reference and please document date, posting date, write down. You guys have written print, right? So now here document date, posting date, and reference. I'm giving the same reference, ACP01. Bank data. In bank data now, we since we have created this bank outgoing account, right? So I am give this one, bank outgoing account. After that, how much we want to make payment? Complete 67,000, right? And open
Yes.
item is Noratna. Open item is Noratna 6210. Please write down this information. Document date, posting date, and you can see that document type is by default it is coming KZ. Reference, bank account is outgoing. Okay, bank outgoing. Here why we cannot take incoming, right? Because this is outgoing payment we are doing.
Yeah.
Okay, and now amount, and this in open item, for which open item payment has to be done for our Noratna investment. Okay, then click on process open item. Write down, click on process open item. Okay, and here activate it 67,000. Activate 67,000. Document simulate and post. Okay, so now can you guys tell me the this report, vendor report?
FBL one. FBL one.
Check, right?
Hello?
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. So FBL 1M slash M FBL 1M. This one, all items execute. So in here invoice and vendor payment also done. 67,000 and 67. Okay. After that, please
Okay.
give next heading. Give next heading. Print check and advice letter. Print check and advice letter.
Didn't check.
Print
Print check.
print check and advice letter. This one and this. Please see the screen. This one, third step. Method one, third step. Okay. Tcode is FBZ5. Tcode is FBZ5. Okay. So now please write down the path. Please write down the path. SAP menu accounting. SAP menu accounting. Financial accounting.
Hmm.
Okay. Financial accounting. After that,
Okay.
After accounts payable document, uh,
Mm-hmm.
after document more functions, after accounts payable document, after document more functions, after more functions, FBZ5, print payment forms, print payment forms.
Okay.
So double click on this FBZ5. If you see the screen, so I have opened that our payment document. Let me open that as well. These are our
All.
okay. So our payment. This is our payment document. Document type is KZ 15 serial. Okay.
Okay.
So now let us go to this FBZ5. So here by default it is coming, but suppose if it is not coming by default, we need to give this document number here. Okay. So now see, document number, company code, fiscal year. We need to give
Company code GA01 है देखो.
GI0. Right. So we need to change that. We have to change to our LIG logo. Okay. Fiscal year, it is correct only, so we will not change. Payment method here, C. C means check payment. Check lot number. Okay. 1010, which is correct only. So see, 1010 is for SDFC, which we have already configured. This is from our configuration only. Sequential. Okay. This one. So we are selecting this one. Alternative form. In alternative form, F110 underscore random underscore. This one. Yes. And
This is random or is it standard? SAP standard
uh, this form,
form.
form is SAP standard, not custom.
Uh-huh.
And this form printer we will give LP01 and advice print advice printer LP01. So this form where we have given, if you guys can remember, in our configuration somewhere
Check. Check.
we have
Check the creation.
huh?
Check form.
In configuration we have done somewhere.
Uh,
Somewhere in configuration we have done. In
okay.
APP configuration. In APP configuration,
In APP of the bank checks check lot numbers.
so the class name
Don't use it.
Huh?
Mute on it.
Check form.
हाँ 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 पूछ बात कर
Hmm. Hello.
हाँ एक
Bro,
मिनट
you
I
are on mute, bro.
वो लोग बुला रहे थे कुछ करता हूँ yes 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 so actually it is part of APP configuration so let me show you guys that one where we have assigned that one
APP.
automatic payment.
payment method open C and first step I think the first step uh, that is company code see forms data. See, okay. So there is the I'm showing you guys the link. So somewhere that will be no printing, how it will be done printing from our backend configuration. So this printing will happen from where? So in this configuration, the name of the the part of LPP configuration only. Okay, payment method, set up payment method in company code. Fourth one. Okay, in this configuration, payment method in company code, we are assigning that form name, form data. So from there, the same form data we are what we are doing here. You can see the same form. So for this, we have done the configuration and check lot number, which Shravanti you are telling, like this is part of check configuration. So this is also
Ah,
required. This is also required, and this form is also required. So both are
right.
required. So you were telling this one correct, but this one also form we have configured in the APP configuration. Okay, so this one is also we are assigning the same here, and this is standard only, not custom. Okay, and printer for forms LP01, and for advice printer also LP01. So please write down these steps, these points.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, please see the screen from check header menu. From check header menu. Okay. Click on check and then click select print. Okay. Click on check and then select print. Please write down. Click on check header and then click on select or click on print. Okay. So now
Mm.
double click on check payment. Double click on check payment. Okay. Select this one Y01 checkbox. Select this one and click on details button. Click on display contents. Now you see check printing completed. Check is printed.
Double click on check payment.
Double click on check payment. After that, this one select this checkbox left this beside
Okay.
Y01. Select checkbox Y01. You can see the screen also, please.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and after that, click on this display contents. After selecting the checkbox, click on display contents. Click on display contents. Then we can see the check printing is done. Okay, this is the complete details. SAP document number is this 15 series. Date is 27.04, and this was the uh, invoice document, not invoice document. 62 series was the vendor account, SAP vendor number. Okay, we have settled the item listed with the close check. This is the all details. Here you also see this one SAP. You please see the screen. This is SAP. This one SDFC. The bank account number we have maintained in SAP. Okay, and this one is the operational bank account number starting with 1649000. This one,
Mm.
and this check number is the SAP check number. Okay, and now this is the amount. Name of the company you can see Dilip Cement Private Limited company for. Okay, and this is the vendor details. Vendor. Okay, so now this one is done. Method one is completed. Method one, in the method one, three steps we have completed, right? Let's do the method two. Okay, so you guys have any doubt in method one? In method one we have done
No,
three steps. Okay, so
no.
now please please write down method two. Method two. Okay, in method 2 you can see first invoice should be there, and after that we will in one go, in one step, 3 transaction will be posted.
Okay.
This one, see, 3 transaction will be posted in one step. That is vendor
Mm.
payment, check printing, and advice printing. These 3 steps will be transaction will be posted in one by posting only one transaction, that is F-58. Okay, this is also part of automatic check payment only. So, but first invoice should be there. In that, for that only that payment has to be done. So, please give heading method 2. Okay. So what we can do, either we can create new vendor or we can uh,
Posting same vendor.
method 2.
Post with same vendor.
So we can post with same vendor, but we need to assign payment method in that vendor, right? We need to assign payment method CT. C means check or T means bank transfer. So that actually we need to do in the existing vendor. So just let's go to, if I want to change vendor, we can go to FK02, FK02, and I will take,
Is it
Vendor
please write
change.
down, go to FK02, which is change vendor.
depreciation?
Vendor code payment method.
Huh?
Vendor master.
Okay. So this one, we will select here only 3 things. I am giving existing vendor 620000 ending with 5, and payment transaction I'm selecting, and I'm also selecting account information and payment transaction again. These 3 checkboxes I'm selecting. Okay, one more zero is required, I think. So here, this is not required. This is not required. Payment method I'm giving CT. I'm only adding payment method CNT. Okay,
ఇది వేరే vendor విజేత ట్రైన్ కంపెనీ.
and save.
CT means
చెక్
CT means I have to write. C means check payment. T means bank transfer, which we have done configuration related to check payment and bank transfer in EPP. Okay, so to this existing vendor, we are assigning this payment method. After that, save it. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so now let's see whether this vendor is having already, maybe it will be having any invoice, or we can post a new invoice also for this particular vendor, right? If we have already
mm,
existing invoice, then need not to post an invoice. So let's see whether any open item is there or not for this vendor. MPL 1N. We'll go to. Don't write this one, please. You guys have written down the first step, right? Changing the vendor.
Yes.
Okay, and you have updated the payment method as check CNT, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now see, we have for this Vijita Trading Company, which is 6200 ending with 5. This, for this vendor number, we have one open item. So uh, uh, we can run the this automatic this one check printing one, means F-58 we can do. So let's correct.
mm.
So now please give next heading. Please give next heading. This one, vendor payment with check and advice printing. Vendor payment with check and advice printing. Okay. So here, vendor payment with check and advice printing. Please write down the path. Tcode is F-58. Write down the Tcode also. Tcode is F-58. Okay. And write down the path SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable. After accounts payable, document entry, or after document entry, outgoing payment. You can see the screen also, please. Document entry, after document entry, outgoing payment, after outgoing payment, F-58, post plus print forms. After outgoing payment, F-58, post plus print forms. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we'll double click on this F-58. Okay. So now again, you guys can notice here company code is different. So we need to change this one to our company code LI01. So, and rest of the thing, you please write down also this step. Company code LI01, which is my company code, Dilip Cement Business. Okay. And payment method C, because it is check printing only we are going to do. House bank, SDF from house bank, we want to make the payment SDF00. Checkout number, we want to select 1010. Okay. Alternate form F110 underscore this one, random underscore check, which we have, where we have done this configuration in APP. Fourth step, payment method is company code.
Human method.
Okay. And now printer for forms, printer, advice printer, LP01. Okay. In both the cases, LP01. Please write down this. Okay.
Hmm.
So now after that, you can see here enter payment option. Click on enter payments.
Okay.
Okay. So click on enter payments. Now see a new screen is opened after clicking enter on
Mm-hmm.
enter payments. So here we need to give our document date, posting date, and then a reference we need to give any reference.
This is nothing but F
And
dash
dash 58.
53 screen, right?
Which one?
Yes. This is F-53 screen.
This is F-53. Oh, I think uh, kind of F-53, but it is
But there is a
with
change in
printout.
pay.
Mm-hmm.
In F-53, let's see. Let me do the comparison. This is F-58, and
The
let me
change
open
only.
F-53 slash n F-53. See, post F-53 is post outgoing payment added data, means these fields are similar only, but there is no printout
Mm-hmm.
option. But here you can see payment with printout added data. So this is only the difference. Rest of the things are same only. Bank data and open item also, I think same only. Rest of the things same only. A vendor number option is there, and there also open item. So the rest of the things same only. Just printout is not there in F-53. So we will give, please write down document date, posting date, reference. Okay. And after that, amount.
Amount.
What was the amount? Now how I don't know the amount. I can go to FBL1N, I can check that open item, or if I don't know the amount, I can give what? Which number I can give?
One.
One I can give, correct. And I can change it later before posting. So I will give amount one, and here vendor I know, right? 62 series ending with 5.
5.
62 0 0 0 0 0 0 5 0 5. to series 0 with ending with 5. Why it is not opening? Ah, this one. Okay. After that, giving vendor company code is ours only. Click on process open item. Click on process open items. So see here how much is the open item amount? 50,000, right? So I will activate it.
Hmm.
Click on process open item, then activate it. And here after that, what we need to do? We need to change it to 50,000
Simulate.
from 1 to 50,000. So for this, we need to go to this
Escape.
document overview.
No discount.
We can also do escape, right?
Huh? Escape. How?
To edit amount.
There we cannot do. How you are telling?
Go to process open items.
Okay, just a minute. I think I cannot go back. I need to then do from the starting only.
Here there is process open items.
Process
Yeah.
open. Okay.
We have selected 50,000, right?
Yes.
And we just uh, click on escape button to go back. It will work.
Okay, okay, correct. By clicking on escape also, correct. It is bringing
Uh,
us to here only. So
yeah.
then we need not to click on document overview, correct.
Uh,
Then double click here, double click on this line 241001 SDFC, this line,
so
and
change
then
amount.
we can change, we simply give star. In amount field, give a star. It will be now converted to 50,000. Then document simulate and post. Now you can see two message in the new window, check payment and payment advice notes sent by post. Okay. Spool number also we can see spool number generated. Okay.
Hmm.
So we
Okay.
can double click on check
What
payment.
is meant by spool number?
Background request.
Spool
SM36.
is spool actually I will tell it later. No problem. It's kind of from for the background job actually it is required. So I will tell it later. Okay.
Okay.
Because this actually happened in the background job only, like not in the foreground. So see in the check.
SM37, right? It's
That
Tcode to view the background job request.
okay. Where you're telling Samanthi? SM37.
SM37.
Okay, just a minute.
Yes, order. Yes, order.
DRL DRL
27
release
4.
report.
You are right.
School list.
School is there, right? This is only right.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. So see check payment. We can now we can see the same way we can see our check is printed. We can see this check is printed for this vendor only, right?
Hmm.
But before check printing, outgoing payment also done, right? First
Yes.
is invoice was cleared, after that check printing happened, and this advance printing happened. Three steps done in the single in FDAS 58 only. This is advice printing I'm opening. This is payment advice. Okay. Now we can what we should check in the report, that open item should be cleared, right?
Yes.
So this also we need to check. So let me go to this open item report FBL1N all items. This is our vendor. that was 50,000 only, and this is the date you can see, correct?
Hmm.
This is our previous date.
27.
We posted today only, right? And what
Correct.
was the open item? So see, clearing document is this one. Just a minute. 15 series 1 is the clearing document. So
09. The one which is below the
Vendor code only.
transaction.
is this one,
Right.
this one, and for this one, this is our for this invoice. Actually, this one was posted above one, right?
Ah,
Clearing document.
correct.
Okay. So like this one, if I want to put filter, so you guys are aware about this filter and these things, right?
Yes, click
Clear.
on document name.
I want to check for only 27, so I can filter with that only. Okay. So means you guys are actually using SAP screen. So now see, like this, we can do the filtration, and for any of the field, we can do the filtration, and
Yes.
we can use like that. Okay. So now give next heading. So this one is done. So according to our plan, according to our Excel sheet, now these
Hmm.
two steps we have done for single vendor, right? In both the case,
Yeah.
automatic check printing happened, but for the single vendor we have done. So
Hmm.
now next one is, now which step we need to do? Multiple vendor and multiple invoices. Okay, means there will be multiple vendor and there will be multiple invoices also. But in single step, what will be done? In single step, these three things will be done. Means payment will be done and check printing, advice printing will be done within the single vendor, within the single step, but for the multiple vendor and multiple invoices. If suppose single vendor is there, F-58 is there, this Tcode is there. But if you have multiple uh, vendor or multiple invoices, then we need to use this F110, which is very important. In real time, there are for big companies, there are multiple invoices,
We are a solution
so
master.
they use F110.
Like
Mm.
Okay,
Delhi yesterday.
so give next heading. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, give one heading. Assign payment methods. So now payment methods we need to assign, right, for multiple vendors. So give next heading. Assign payment methods for multiple vendors. Assign payment method for multiple vendors. Okay, and T code is XK99. XK99. Okay, so XK99 is the T code. So see, here we have come. So you can see the 11 things, 11 options are there, right? Select here, select, please write down. Here, select vendor master company code. How you will select? You need to click on this box, left
Mm-hmm.
click, vendor master. Select this vendor master company code. Okay. And then click on execute button. Click on execute button. Okay.
Okay.
So means which all vendors we want to select. So I want to select, I'm taking the range of all 1 to 99999. Okay, 1 from vendor 1 to 10 times 9 I have written, and in the company code I am giving li01 to li01. Okay, so after giving these two things, vendor range and company code range, click on execute button. Click on execute button. Okay,
Okay.
after that actually payment method, we I'm not able to see payment method. I don't know why it is not coming. Payment method should be there. So that is not there. Just 1 minute. One minute. Don't try it. I will tell you.
Okay.
Payment method. Yes, it is there. Okay. So now after that, please write down. Click on select fields. Click on select fields. You can see the select field option here. Click on select fields. Okay. After clicking that, uh, select payment method, and we need to bring it to left side. Select payment method. Payment methods. Okay. We can filter it like click on this search, this one, and find button, and click on payment method. Okay, and bring it to left side. Select payment method and bring it to left side. Click on enter button. Continue means click on continue. Now you can see you have we have actually 4 vendors, right, in our this client. Let's suppose it is our sandbox client. In our client we have 4 vendors maintained. We have maintained in sandbox system, and and only in 2 clients only we have maintained CT, means check transfer and bank transfer. Okay, so now we want to maintain it for all vendors. So you can see what we should do. Please give CT here in the header. First deselect all. Wait, deselect all. Deselect all these below ones. Okay, because only we need to update what payment methods as CT. So first deselect all the this vendor company code name. Deselect all. After deselecting, give in the here you can see the screen page below payment method. Give CT. Give CT and click on mask change. Carry out mask change. You please see the screen. If you have doubt, please let me know. First, what I did the deselection of these all below ones. Okay, I did the deselection of all these all. After that, I am giving, because I want this city to be updated in all company codes. Currently, it is updated only in two, which we have done in our previous steps. Now I want this city to be updated for all vendors. So in payment method, I am giving city, right? And after giving city, we need to click on carry out the mass change. Okay, any doubt?
Yeah. No.
Okay, then
We have to click that, carry out.
yes, first we need to type here city, and we need to click on mass, carry out mass change. Okay, it is telling select at least one, right? It is select at least one, that one it is telling at least one line. So we will select this line. This is already selected. Now see, city is updated, mass change done. Okay, means manually we did not, suppose we have 100, 150. So one by one, if you will want to
Mm,
update, or we want to make change one by one, it will take so much time. But after coming to
yes.
this mass change, we can do in one step. We can do any of the change. See, this is, I have done the payment method, I have updated. Likewise, like this way, we can update any other details also in the master data. Suppose if the
Okay.
same thing has to be updated in all, suppose a certification date, in anything like it is required. So that we can do how? We can follow this
That's true.
yes, mass change we can follow, and other things also we can update same way. But that should be applicable for all company codes. Okay,
Okay.
so like this we can. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so now this one is fine. So give next heading automatic payment programming for multiple vendors. Give next heading automatic payment programming for, in bracket you can write down multiple vendors. Okay. So is it okay if we will connect tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. So for today,
Okay. Okay.
this one we have completed for single vendor automatic check payment. These two steps. Tomorrow we will do this one. At least this one we will, I will complete tomorrow. And if time will be there, then I will, continue further. Okay. Actually, this one is very important. So I don't want to do in Karibari.
Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow we will connect. And please, in
Definitely.
1 week, you guys try to push me, like share the recordings like that. Means don't,
Okay.
please, I request you guys also. That is my responsibility, but I'm requesting you guys also. So otherwise, na, it will be delayed then.
Okay.
Okay. So within 1 week, you guys try to ask, please complete, please share the recordings. Okay, and class also.
Okay.
At what time we'll connect tomorrow?
Tomorrow night, can I confirm by today's night?
Okay.
Okay. So if you guys are all
Yeah.
comfortable, you can confirm. Otherwise, we can extend or 1 hour, like according to both of you guys, and according to both of us comfortable, time
Yeah.
comfortable.
You confirm.
No, you
Mm,
confirm as per your convenience. That's okay. We are free on the time.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, then tomorrow we will connect. I will confirm by today night. Okay,
okay.
Okay.
okay, and I will share I will try to share the recording within 1 week only.
Excel शेयर कर सकते हो ना एटलीस्ट
Excel right now,
अभी
Abhish, I will
हाँ
share, because actually I need the data, so I'm connecting from my mobile data only. So
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक
I
है
will try
फाइन
to
फाइन
share recording also. If the hotel Wi-Fi is not very good, so I will try to share that also. But if not possible, actually Excel right now I'm showing. Okay.
ओके
Okay. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो
Please
मच
practice.
Bye.
या
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
बाय
Bye.